Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Open the Webull app and tap Sign Up to start the registration. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your email or phone, create a secure password, and accept terms. Provide your full legal name, social security number, and date of birth for identity verification, and upload a photo ID when requested. Complete the short financial questionnaire about income and investing experience. Account approval usually takes 1 to 3 business days, though some verifications clear in a few hours. Link your bank using the instant ACH option or manual routing and account numbers for transfers. Verify small microdeposits if you chose manual linking, or use your bank credentials for instant linking. There is no minimum deposit required for a Webull Cash account, so you can start with any amount you choose. Initiate a transfer and expect it to complete in 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank and transfer method. Monitor the transfers section to confirm arrival and buying power updates. Enable two-factor authentication with a 6-digit code sent by SMS or an authenticator app to protect your account and authorize withdrawals. Review account settings for linked devices, biometric login, and session management to reduce risk. Apply for margin or options trading and review the specific approval requirements on the platform before enabling those features. Use Webull paper trading to test strategies, learn order types like market, limit, stop limit, and bracket, and only move to real trades.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.